Hey, I'm Lauren, and today I'm going to be testing Pro Lash's new software lashes. I've been using Pro Lash lashes since they launched, and I am very impressed with the quality of these lashes. They are a little bit on the higher end, more expensive price point, but I would say the quality does speak for itself. They are just beautiful lashes. So what's unique about these compared to the original Pro Lash? This is the software. The Pro Lash comes with an adhesive on the lash, and then it also comes with the glue. So what you do is you put the glue on your lash, and then the lash with the adhesive already just easily goes right on. These don't do that. These have glue that you have to put on your lash and on this lash, which I actually prefer. That's how basically every other lash brand out there is. I found that the band on the original Pro Lash just didn't really work for me. It would irritate my eyes. The band was really thick and it would show through my lashes. It would show like this whitish colored band. But I have friends that wear them. They last for 10 days on them. They're amazing for them. And I was always bummed because the lashes themselves are absolutely stunning, but it couldn't work for me. So I'm really happy that Pro Lash came out with just glue. So I must have not been the only person that had that problem because they did something about it. What's also nice about this is if you love the glue or if you love the lashes, now you can mix and match. So if you really love a certain style in the Pro Lash lash, you can use whatever brand glue that you want. Whereas before they had this patented lash band with their glue that you have to use together. So I feel like this gives you way more options to do whatever you want. So I'm excited. So one of the things with Pro Lash is it's expensive. And I will say this is a much more affordable kit than the original one when it first came out. Now the original one is $85 for this kit, which is actually a pretty good deal because the lashes say that they'll last for 10 days. So it's like $85 a month, which is still way more affordable than getting your lash extensions done. So this kit is only $65. So you get 3 sets of lashes, which I feel like they might actually be able to be reused now because they don't have that adhesive band on them. So you could get more uses out of the lashes potentially, which would be really cool. But then it comes with the glue, it comes with their lash applicator, and it comes with the remover. So if you don't want to spend $65, they do have a mini kit that is $30. It's $30. So that's great too because it's way more affordable. It comes with 1 set of lashes, the glue, and then the applicator, which is really all you need to do your own lashes. Like for the lash remover, my personal favorite is the Falscara. It's super affordable. And I want to say this is like $6 and it works just as well as every other brand. And then you could use your own one, you could use whatever you want. So I feel like price-wise, Pro Lash did reduce their prices from where they initially were, which I really appreciate when brands do that because they can see, okay, maybe we started a little high, we gotta reel it back in a little bit. I also have a discount code if you want. It's Lauren E10, it saves you 10%. I mean, any little bit helps right now. So another difference with the software and the original Pro Lash is the original claims that they will last for 10 days and then the software claims that they'll last for 7 days. Personally, I've never had lashes really last that long on me except for the Moitié ones, which were an absolute nightmare to get off. I ripped out like half of my lash, it was so bad. If you want a funny video to watch, I'll link that one for you. It was rough. I don't recommend those, but with the Pro Lash ones, they really only lasted for a few days on me because they would irritate my eyes so bad. I don't know why, but my eye would always turn red, like right in the inner corner when I would wear Pro Lash. It didn't happen last time I wore them though, so I don't know if my application changed or what. But again, I have friends that wear them and swear by them, so I think it was just me and my eyes. So I'm really excited to try these. I'm currently wearing them right now, but I'll show you what the application is like in a minute. I'm excited for these because my eyes haven't started turning red yet. And normally with the other ones, they would by now. But yeah, I'm really excited about this. So I'm going to show you what the application is like. I'll share my tips and tricks for application. They're basically like every other brand out there, but if you've never applied lashes, I will share some tips and tricks for you. And I'll share my review on the application. And then at the end of the video, I'll share how long the lashes lasted and what they were like to remove. So let's get into it. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to do my lashes in my camera. So this could be really interesting. But whenever I start lashes, I always clean my regular lashes just to make sure there's no residue on them, especially when I'm filming because I already have face makeup on. So I just wanna make sure there's nothing on my lashes that's left over from my makeup. So you're gonna do your lashes like right after you wash your face. I recommend doing it before, like don't put on eye cream or anything because that's just gonna get in the way of the adhesive if you get any on your lash. I use the Lilac Street conditioning primer to clean them and just make sure there's nothing that's gonna get in the way of how long these lashes will last. And then a couple things that I always have nearby, lash curler. This is the Lashify wand. It's the best I've ever tried. I always just end up reaching for this one, even though my kit comes with one. I'll try that one first, but I usually end up having 2 pairs around because one gets glue on it, or just when you're in a bind and you need another lash wand, it's helpful. And I love this one. It's pricey, but I've had it for years. It's great. And then I like to keep a remover nearby too, because if I get any glue on this, it just gets the glue off of it. So this one is the Kiss Falscara remover. It's super affordable. I have the more expensive brands. You don't need them. This one's great. So to get started, I always like to make sure that there's no residue on this too. So like I'll use the lash conditioner primer on my lash curler. I have stick straight lashes. And so I always have to curl mine first because it just makes applying fake lashes that much easier because they're not pointing down while the lash has a curl to it. So if you have straight lashes, highly recommend trying this. This is the Tarte one. I love it. It's the best, but it really depends on your eye shape. Okay, so you're gonna curl. Also, I'm sorry if I sound out of breath. I am 9 months pregnant. So, you know, there's that. Okay, I mean, look at this is just such a good curl. One thing with pregnancy that's really weird is I lost a lot of lashes and they got really short, and I was trying to use only clean lash serums. They don't work for me. Grande Lash are the best for my face. And I know they have prostaglandins and they got a bad rep this last couple years on TikTok. I don't care. They work the best for me. And I've never had orbital fat loss, as you can see. And I've never had any like crazy irritation or anything. So I made sure to ask ProLash about this because while this is called a dual lock adhesive, it's the same glue on both sides. So if you find that you like the mascara applicator more, use that on both sides. If you find that you like this little, what is that? A blob. If you like that more, use it on both sides. So they're saying that this one you put on your lashes, this one you put on your segment, which this is the segment. One of these is a lash segment. I personally already know I don't like the mascara wand. The wands just don't put enough glue on my lashes. Like there's no glue on this. Should I try it for the video? I don't know. I'm gonna say no. I'm just gonna do the segment one on both sides because I don't wanna deal with them coming off tomorrow. Okay, and then I like to start on the outer corner. So when you grab the lash, you can use your fingers for this too, or you just pull it. So you're gonna like pull it down and then down. Don't pull out. You don't wanna pull any lashes out. You wanna be really gentle when you do this. So I'll show you again. You go down, like pull it down and then down. And then I like to apply to the lash first and let it kind of soak in a little bit. So you're gonna apply just to the base of the lash, the top of the base. You don't wanna get it on the bottom of the lash because that's gonna stick to your bottom lashes. I'm gonna need a mirror for this. It's really hard to do it in my camera. And then I don't like to put the glue on the ends of my lashes. I just apply it to the base of my lash. And the reason I do that is because my lashes look really clumpy and I don't like it. You're gonna take the lash and you just place it Okay, so that is one lash. We're just gonna work our way in, and this glue does dry kind of fast, which is helpful, but it's also hard because I like to put the glue on my lashes and like work my way in that way. So we're gonna see if this works with me just putting this right here. Okay, when you do the lashes, I like to overlap them a little bit so that there's no break between the two clusters. These are really pretty. This is when it's helpful to have the lash remover, just so in case you get any of that glue on your wand, you can just easily wipe it. It's very common for lash brands to not fit my eyes. I never thought I had small eyes, but I guess they have to accommodate people with really large eyes too. So sometimes you'll have to trim the lash segment. That's normal. Just keep a pair of scissors nearby. Okay, we're just putting the glue on the lash. And then you overlap. I sped this up a little bit. This is just me applying the last two lashes, but it's the same exact routine. Okay, these are really pretty. So now you can go in and clamp. And like that glue is already dry, which is so nice. These are gorgeous. Okay, this is the finished look on both eyes. So pretty, very easy to put on, already dry. I didn't need any sort of like glue adhesive thing that would make it stop being sticky. I did struggle with this one inner corner, but out of 8 clusters, to only struggle with one is actually really good. And when I say struggle, I just mean it wasn't sticking. So I had to take it off and put it back on a few times, but I feel like you can't even really tell that lash has been through it. And then, yeah, I got some glue on my eyelid, but overall, very impressed. So I'm gonna wear these lashes around, see how long they last. Hopefully they last for the 7 days that they say they will last, but we shall see. The other lashes claim that they will last 10 days on me, and they never lasted that long. I also will say I'm very hard on my eyes. I have oilier eyes, and so no lashes ever really last as long as they say they're gonna last on me. So yeah, I'll wear them around and I will report back when they start to come off. Okay, it is day 5 and I lost a lash, so I'm gonna take all of them off. I will say that this lash was really easy to take off. Like I didn't pull out a bunch of lashes with it. It was just starting to lift at the end, so I just took it off, but all of the other lashes are pretty on there still. So I could just put this lash back on, but I figured for the sake of this review, we'll take them off and see what the removal process is like. Because usually, I'll be honest, I just take my lashes off. I just pull them. So like if you take the lash and you can see how the bottom will kind of lift off and then you can grab it and pull, but it's not great for your lashes and like the integrity of your actual lash. So we're gonna use the Pro Lash remover and see. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells like perfume, like floral or something. Is it oily? Yeah, it just feels like an oil. This is what the remover wand looks like. So it's got a little bit of texture, probably to help it get in between the lashes more. And so there's no directions on how to do this on the starter kit box, but I'm just gonna do it the way that I've used other removers in the past, where you literally just rub it on, wait a few minutes, and then take the lashes off. And I like to do this at night and then wash my face and give my lashes a break if I'm gonna put lashes back on the next day, because you definitely wanna wash your face after you use the remover because it's oily. Oh yeah, that works so well. That's awesome. Yeah, I didn't pull out any lashes. That remover is legit. Okay, cool. Let's see. Cool. beautiful. So I got all of the lashes off. What I'm doing right now, by the way, is I'm just trying to like remove some of the remaining glue that's on my actual lashes. Because usually it's gonna be clumpy there for a minute. Like you can see there's still glue on my lash. But you don't wanna pull your lashes too hard. Just see what will come. Like I just pulled a lash out, but I got a clump of glue out with that one. So I'm gonna do some more of this and just rub it all over. Okay, so I still have glue on. So I saw that ProLash has a bunch of other like glue removers and cleaners and other products that I have not tried yet. So I'll probably try those and do another video at some point. But for now, I'm gonna try the Falscara remover and see if this will take off some of the remaining glue. Yeah, so you can see it gets a lot off. I also, this is so random, but I got a free bottle of the Mary Kay eye makeup remover, and that stuff works so well to get your lash glue off. I have no idea where you can actually buy Mary Kay or if it's only from a rep, but yeah. Yeah, this is working. See, I'm getting glue all over my face. So I would say I am very impressed with these lashes. I think they're beautiful. They stayed beautiful all the days. Some lashes out there, when you get them wet, they kind of never look the same. And I feel like Pro Lash, even when I washed my face, they still looked really pretty. Losing one at 5 days is very normal for me. So I would say longevity wise, it's standard for most of the lash brands I've tried. Yeah, I think they're really, really impressive. I like all of their styles online. They have so many to choose from. And I feel like the hair looks really natural. Oh yeah, this is working. This is why I like to do this at night before I wash my face. But this video is getting kind of long, so I'm gonna log off now. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below. And I have a discount code, so I will link that for you as well. I appreciate when you guys use my codes. It really does help me just keep doing these lash videos and I mean all my videos for you. But anyways, have a good day and I'll see you next time.